Welcome to Infinite Mind Potential, where we explore ancient wisdom to unlock the hidden depths of your consciousness and daily life. Have you ever stopped to realize that this exact moment, right now, will never happen again in the history of the universe? There is a profound Japanese phrase for this realization called Ichigo Ichie, which translates simply to one time, one meeting. This philosophy invites us to cherish every encounter and experience, understanding that it is unique and will never be repeated exactly. The roots of this concept go back over 400 years to the ancient tradition of the Japanese tea ceremony. Tea masters understood that every gathering is unique, even if the same people meet again in the very same room. The flavor of the tea, the conversation, and the atmosphere of that specific day can never be replicated in the future. This teaches us that every second ticking by is a unique event in the vast timeline of our entire cosmos. Just like the water in a river, the moment that just passed is gone forever and cannot be retrieved by anyone. However, in our modern world, most people live as if time were infinite, constantly rushing through their precious daily lives. We often find ourselves distracted, scrolling through phones, missing the beauty and connection that exists right in front of our eyes. We listen to stories with only half an ear, eat our meals in a hurry, and fail to truly connect. Many of us are constantly waiting for the weekend or a vacation to finally start living our lives with joy. But the video warns that every day you spend waiting to live is actually a day of real life ending. Ichigo Ichie reminds us that life is not a rehearsal, and we do not get a second chance at today. This philosophy was also deeply embraced by the samurai, who lived with the constant awareness of death and their mortality. They knew that any day could be their last, which forced them to live with incredible focus, intent, and honor. By accepting the impermanence of life, they were able to extract the maximum value and meaning from every single breath. We do not need to be warriors to apply this wisdom. We simply need to wake up to the present. Practicing Ichigo Ichie helps us significantly reduce regrets about the past and stop worrying excessively about the uncertain future ahead. When you focus entirely on the here and now, the ghosts of yesterday and the shadows of tomorrow lose power. It encourages us to treat others with kindness immediately, rather than waiting for a special occasion that might never come. Treat every meeting as if it is the last time you will see that person, and your relationships will transform. Even simple acts like eating lunch can become a rich experience if you pay full attention to the taste and texture. The practice is about engaging all 5 senses to anchor yourself firmly in the reality of the current moment. Next time you are with a friend, put your phone away and listen to them with your whole heart and mind. Understand that the notification on your screen can wait, but the human being sitting across from you cannot wait forever. Children are natural masters of Ichigo Ichie because they are always fully immersed in whatever they are doing right now. We can learn from them to rediscover the wonder of the ordinary and find magic in the most mundane tasks. When you wash dishes, just wash dishes. Feel the water, the soap, and the movement without rushing to finish. Every sunset is unique. The specific arrangement of clouds and colors you see today will never appear again in eternity. Sometimes, we must put down the camera and stop trying to capture the moment, and instead, simply live it. A memory captured in your heart is often more vivid and meaningful than a digital file stored on a hard drive. Ichigo Ichie teaches us to create moments that are worth remembering, making every gathering a celebration of life and friendship. Start keeping a journal of moments. Write down one special thing that happened today that made you feel truly alive. This habit trains your brain to scan for unique experiences and beauty, rather than focusing on problems and stress. Meditation is another powerful tool to cultivate this mindset, grounding you in the sensation of breathing and existing. By observing your breath, you realize that each inhalation is a new beginning, and each exhalation is a letting go. Touch the textures around you, smell the air, and listen to the background sounds that you usually ignore completely. The world is constantly speaking to us, but we are often too busy with our internal monologue to hear it. Even in difficult times, Ichigo Ichie brings comfort by reminding us that this pain is also temporary and will pass. Sadness and joy are both fleeting guests in the house of our life, and we should welcome them both. If you knew this was the last time you would see your loved one, how would you say goodbye to them? Live in a way that leaves no room for regretful words left unsaid or loving actions left undone. Time is the most valuable currency we have, yet it is the one thing we spend with the least caution. Make conscious choices about where you invest your attention, for your attention is your life force in action. Stop glorifying multitasking, which dilutes your experience, and start celebrating the power of doing one thing at a time. When you pour your entire being into the task at hand, even work becomes a form of deep meditation. The result of such focused attention is always of higher quality and brings a deeper sense of personal satisfaction. Ichigo Ichie also teaches equality. In the tea room, samurai and merchants were equal, united by the shared moment. We are all travelers on the same journey through time, sharing this brief window of existence together on Earth. From the perspective of the universe, our lives are just a spark, making them all the more precious and rare. Don't delay expressing your love or gratitude. Send that message, write that letter, or make that call today. You never know when the opportunity to connect will disappear, so seize the moment while it is still within reach. Accepting impermanence does not mean being morbid. It means loving life fiercely because we know it will not last. If you had a bad moment, let it go. The next moment is a fresh canvas waiting for you. Do not carry the baggage of the past minute into the present minute. Be renewed with every single step. Find comfort in the rhythm of nature and the knowledge that everything is unfolding exactly as it should be. Just as the seasons change without resistance, we too should flow with the changes in our own lives. We are the bridge between the past and the future, but our only reality is the eternal now. Celebrate small victories. A delicious meal, a good conversation, or a sunny day are all worthy of celebration. This wisdom is simple to understand, but requires a lifetime of practice to master in our daily behavior. Start small. Try to be fully present for just 5 minutes today and observe how the world changes. You will notice that colors are brighter, sounds are crisper, and your mind feels lighter and more spacious. The heavy weight of anxiety cannot survive in the light of full presence and appreciation of the moment. Be kind to yourself as well. You are a unique event in the universe, worthy of love and attention. Among the billions of stars and galaxies, your consciousness is here, witnessing this specific slice of space and time. Let the spirit of tea permeate your life. Drink your tea, kiss your loved ones, and do your work. Do it all with your whole heart, for you will never have this exact chance to do it again. Ichigo Ichie. One time, one meeting. Let these words guide you back to the miracle of the now. Life is a collection of moments. It is up to you to make them count or let them fade. Keep the flame of awareness burning. Do not let the winds of distraction blow out your light of presence. As this video ends, take a moment to look around you and truly see your environment with fresh eyes. We hope this journey into Japanese philosophy has awakened a new perspective on how you view your daily time. Thank you for watching Infinite Mind Potential. Subscribe now to continue your journey of growth. Cherish this moment. Goodbye for now.